Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the keyboard settings on your Honor Pad 9. This gives direct access to autocorrect controls. First, swipe down and tap Settings, then navigate to System and Updates or additional settings depending on your MUI version. Once there, choose Languages and Input and tap Virtual Keyboard to pick the keyboard app you use. This is where autocorrect lives, so make sure you select the active keyboard, Gboard, or Huawei input, because changing the wrong app won't affect typing. Now, in the chosen keyboard settings, find Text Correction or Smart Input. This is where autocorrect and prediction options are grouped. Turn off autocorrect first. Next, disable predictive text and auto capitalization if you prefer manual control. Once toggled, test in a Notes app to confirm the keyboard stops changing words automatically. If changes don't take effect immediately, switch to another app and back, or reboot the tablet to reload the keyboard service. This forces the new settings to apply. Finish by testing typing in email, messages, and browser to confirm autocorrect is off system-wide. Different apps can use different input settings. If autocorrect persists, make sure no secondary keyboard is enabled. Disable extras in Virtual Keyboard. As a final step, clear the keyboard app cache or reset its settings to defaults. This removes stored learned words that may still autocorrect. If that still fails, reboot the device and recheck settings. This resolves most lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.